Atlas V rocket is ready at Cape Canaveral Air Force Station for a Tuesday morning blastoff of a Cygnus spacecraft destined for the International Space Station. Orbital The ATK Cygnus spacecraft is packed with more than 7,600 pounds of scientific experiments, supplies and cargo for the ISS crew. We have a wide range of support teams that will be directed to the station to support the science that is already there, but also to introduce new capabilities. Tara Ruttley, Associate Scientist for the ISS program, during a press conference before presentation at the Kennedy Space Center. The Advanced Plant Habitat, a new KSC experiment, is a minifridge-sized plant chamber that will be able to grow larger, more nutritionally dense plants that one day could be consumed by astronauts in deep space missions. Also on board are experiments that could improve chemotherapy treatments for cancer and magnetized tools for easier replication of Earth-like experiments. Cygnus will also take 38 CubeSats, which are miniaturized satellites designed for research purposes, to the station for deployment at a later time. Orbital ATK called the Cygnus SS John Glenn in honor of the first American astronaut to Earth orbit, who died last December. "I feel like we are bridging the story," Vern Thorpe, manager of the United Launch Alliance's Trade Missions program. John Glenn flew on an Atlas rocket in 1962 when he became the first American to orbit the Earth, and we are now preparing Atlas to start flying astronauts again in the near future as part of NASA's Commercial Crew program. Atlas V is expected to dome the platform in clear skies thanks to a 90% favorable weather probability. "This time of year is generally very favorable for launch operations," David Kraft, a weather officer for the 45th Air Force Meteorological Squad during the press conference. "No exception for this week.